Hello everyone! In this video, I will walk you through how to use the Asset-Specific Knowledge Base AI agent in DreamzCMMS from the mobile application to get instant answers and raise support tickets, all through a smart chat interface. Here's what I'll be showing you: how to start a chat with the AI agent, how to ask questions and raise a ticket, and how to view the incident created in DreamzCMMS. So let's get started! To begin the demonstration, let me first share my mobile application and navigate to the More option, and then AI Help and CMMS Knowledge Base. To begin a conversational chat, enter the title in the provided field and then click on Add New. On the next screen, it will ask whether you want to ask a generic question or an asset-specific knowledge base question. I will select Asset-Specific Knowledge Base. It will then prompt me to either scan the QR code or add the asset manually. I choose to scan the QR code. It will now open the QR code scanner option. I tap on it, which opens the camera. I scan the QR code. Once it reads the QR code, it will display the asset name P&M Enterprise Induction Motor, located at El Salvador F001. If this information is correct, simply click on Yes. Next, it will ask, please type what you are looking for. I type. The motor is not working. It will now fetch data from the asset-specific knowledge base for the tagged equipment and display the answer. It will also prompt, would you like to raise a ticket for this issue? If you want to raise a ticket, simply click Yes. You will then be shown a summary of the details. If all the information is correct, click on Yes to proceed. After that, you'll be given the option to attach a photo. If you don't want to attach a photo, simply click No. If you do want to attach a photo, type Yes. It will then offer you 3 options: Take Photo, choose from Library, and Add File. I click on Take Photo and capture an image. Once the photo is captured, the system confirms that your complaint has been logged and provides a case ID number. Next, let me show you the request list. I have already opened the request list in another browser. I refresh the list to show you how the request appears in the DreamzCMMS portal. You can see that the issue, induction motor is not working, is now listed with case number 8071. I'll also show you the same case number on the mobile application. So, the request or incident has been successfully generated. If I go to the details screen or edit the record, I can see that the asset is tagged with the incident. This confirms that the request was created for the correct asset. Now, let me show you how to upload the knowledge base file for the asset or equipment. To add a knowledge base file, go to the File section. You will find the option to select a file. Choose the file and click Save. Once the file is saved, it will appear in the File Details section. If it's a new file, check the corresponding checkbox and click Add to Knowledge Base. Once the file is indexed properly, you won't see the checkbox option again. This is how you add a file to the knowledge base. You can then ask any question based on that file and get an accurate answer directly from it. That's how easily you can get answers using the AI agent in DreamzCMMS. Thank you for watching. If you have any queries, please let us know.